Guys, we're working on a big kitchen project right now, and I thought I would go ahead and show you the difference in an induction top and an electric top. They are not the same thing. So this is a really nice looking top, all black, kind of blends right in, very flat, very much like an electric top, but it is induction. If you're not familiar with induction, induction works off magnets, not electricity. So whatever pan that you use, like say this one right here, you have to be able to put a magnet to it, and a magnet has to stick. If it does, it's going to work on here. If a magnet will not stick, it is not going to work. Turn everything on, and it will be cold to the touch, even with it on, until you put the metal on it, and then it will start to boil. It will actually boil water faster than gas will. It's extremely quick. So let's go ahead and turn it on. You're going to power it on right here. You're going to pick which one. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to go ahead and go with the center, and I'm going to move it up. That's all the way up to max power. If I put my hand on, it is cold. There is nothing there, ice cold. Now this has a timer. It's going to go off if nothing gets put on it. Put it on. There you go. If you listen real closely, you can hear the magnets moving. Now, what is really good about this system is it's going to get that water hot really quickly. It'll boil really quickly, but the second you pull it off, it quits producing heat. You're going to have residue heat from the pan. It's going to feel warm to the touch, but it's not going to burn you like a regular electrical appliance would burn you. So it's really safe for kids and grandkids, which is fantastic. So we're going to go ahead and let it boil and see what that actually looks like. It's actually already boiling in the bottom. I'm going to see if it'll give me a temperature. Basically on this, it's just saying extremely high. Well, you can see the boils now. Let me zoom that in and make sure you're seeing what I'm seeing. So there you go. That is a full boil, and that was right around 2 minutes. If I hold this, we are extremely high. It will not even register the temperature. So let's see what happens when I pull it off. So I'm going to pull it off and set it over here. And now I can actually put my hands on it. I feel slight heat, just I think from the residue, but it is not burning me at all. One of the things I want to point out is this is the big one. I put a small pan on. You do not have to worry about it fitting exact. There will be a giant pan. It will automatically reduce its size to the size of pan that you're using. So there you go, guys. I think it is awesome. If I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars. Matter of fact, if I could give it 7 or 8, I would, because I think it's a fantastic unit. Do yourself a favor, pick one up today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you on the next one.